Start.
Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. My team name is Team Domain and we are here on solution for a problem statement, women safety analytics and protecting women from safety threat. This problem statement was given by Bharat Electronics Limited. So what does our solution do? Our solution captures the video from camera, normal camera, thermal camera, sound from microphone, and combines it together, analyze and detects whether a threat is happening or not. Now this all things will be done by an application known as Trinetri. Trinetri will combine the video of normal camera and as well as the thermal camera. It will also detect sounds like laughing, screaming, distress call for better accuracy. The Trinetri application also gives a feature of hotspot analysis, which will be done by using timestamp and location, and which will be visualized using heat map. Now this heat map will be displayed on Trinetri as well as on the user side having a mobile application. Now this is a deployment diagram. What this deployment diagram shows us, our application needs just a PC and a Windows operating system. These are the features given by an application, real-time monitoring, hotspot analysis, buzzer control, communication and coordination, record and playback, automated response. Now, main feature of the detection is a deep learning model. How will a deep learning model work? It will be based on language Python. It will be trained on ImageNet dataset or a similar dataset. It will basically based on a CNN architecture or an any pre-trained model. Heat map visualization will be done by Python libraries using matplotlib or Seaborn. Panic button. A panic button is used where we can't access our mobile phone in situation. See, if our mobile phone is in our bag, we can't access in a situation, our panic button will be in a handy, like in keychain or something, we will press 2 times and it will give an SOS signal to the mobile application. Now the panic button just consists of 2 things, that is a microcontroller and Bluetooth. Now these all things are already developed, which is ESP32C3 Tiny. It is a basic microcontroller which will do this work. Now as I told you, for image processing we will combine the both normal and thermal video for better accuracy. Now use case, who all will have what access in an application. Now first is admin. Admin will have overall system application which will update the record, delete the record and everything. User will also have overall access except updating, deleting the records. Now what police will have communication access and also hotspot analysis and live location of the victim. Now how this overall work? If there are 2 scenarios. First scenario is detection by camera. If a camera detects a lone woman, a harsh object or an unusual activity, it will send the video to the server, store the video in the server. Now server will send the video to application. Application will use a deep learning model and detect unusual activity, a lone woman, everything, and it will alert the officer watching in the control room. The officer will verify if it is a false negative, false positive, etc. And if it is a real threat, it will notify the nearest police officer to that location, and the police officer will reach that location as fast as possible. The second scenario is through panic button. If there are no cameras, there is no possible way, and the victim has to notify and he can't access to his mobile phone, he can access the panic button, click it and activate it. It will be connected to a mobile phone. Mobile phone will share the live location to our application called as Trinetri. Trinetri will again notify the control room officer, and the control room officer will forward those location and the basic detail to the nearest police officer so he can reach the location of the victim. This is how overall our system will work. Now what are the advantages? Continuous surveillance. As a model is a deep learning model, it will work 24 hours in the real-time monitoring without any rest. Automated alert, as there are human biases, sometimes a human cannot give attention all the time, so a model can give automated alert so to avoid the threat. Evidence has when the event is detected, the evidence is stored in the server, so for the further investigation it will be very useful and helpful. Then feasibility, how important this project is. Now there are lots of cameras installed everywhere, so we just have to deploy our application on those cameras. It is a very easy and sustainable project. As an economically, as I told, cameras are installed everywhere, so there is not much of an investment in the project. These are all the research and references we took so that to support our backbone, that we are not saying any nonsense things. We are supported on this research paper, our project is supported on the research paper. Thank you.